also academic, Google Scholar. All of this is very important. You must share in this social media. Step of publication. Any publication starts by idea. Idea means a question. Question. There is also debate in something with my colleague. There is debate when I came here for pediatric. We always doing meeting and to do Helicobacter pylori before surgery or not. And this is debate, area of debate. So this area of debate is a good idea for research. Because no one is, my idea not, maybe not maybe fault, my colleague may be not fault. So you must do comparison. It is very important. The idea, you can get the idea from questions from your colleague or your resident. Also, there is debate. It is very important. This is the idea of research. So when I came, there is debate in area of Helicobacter, and so we did a research for this Helicobacter pylori and its impact on bariatric surgery, and already published in Obesity Journal, one of the best journals in bariatric surgery. Also, the research started, as I said, by idea. This is what is called scientific gap, or the hypothesis. This is the starting of any research. And then after this idea, I start by collecting the data, my data in bariatric surgery, and in our hospital we collect our data prospectively. Yani every week we collect our data. Every patient I entered in, Dr. Hassan Turzid, we entered all the data in the SPSS as be collecting the data for bariatric surgery, and it is easy to do any research. After collecting the data, we starting to writing the paper. Writing the paper, this is it is very important, and to after collection of the data, we start by writing the scientific paper. Writing scientific paper starting by introductions, then the patient and the methods, results, discussion, conclusions, and references. Every part of this paper must be written in a good manner, as regard English editing, as regard plagiarism. Don't take copy and paste from the other personnel. Plagiarism is very important. So every journals check about the plagiarism, and the plagiarism that it must not exceeding 25% of your paper. So when you write, not take copy and paste from other personnel. You must write by its own words. Also, after finishing the writing the paper, and we submit the paper in journals. You must select the journals, because the journals classified into what is called indexed journals and predatory journals. Predatory journals is a bad journals. So you must select a good journals. And starting by the high impact journal, if they reject and give you the cause of rejection, and you can correct again your paper according to this. Not starting by journals of low impact factor, starting by journals of high impact factor, Q1. And then if there is rejection, no problem. You can revise your paper again according to the cause of rejection. When you choosing the journals, and must be good journals, and submitting the paper, The submission usually in the website of journals. Every journal has website, and you must has account in this journal. It is very easy to do account for any journals. Okay, and then starting the process. Every journal has what is called guidelines of the authors. You must know the guidelines. Always the manuscript always the same in all journals, but differ in what is called abstract word count. Some journals need word count 200, some need 250, some need 300, like this. So you're changed in some areas. Also in the changes, also in the reference. May put the years at the end of the reference or at the beginning of the reference. So every journal has his own its own guidelines present in the website of the journals. After you submit the journals, the editor will check the papers. If it is good for the journals, he proceed for reviewing. And reviewing always taking about 1 month. And after this 1 month, they again revise the results of the submitted papers, maybe with major revision, with minor revision, or accepted, or may rejection. And rejection, you must see the cause of rejection. You can improve your paper and submit in other journals. Always acceptance rate in the journals about 20% of. This is what is the medical journals. Medical journals, there is what is called indexed journals. Indexed journals must be present in database what is called Scopus, and also what is called at first Thomson Reuters or Clarivate Analytic. Now what is called Web of Science, WOS. These are the two major databases that evaluate the journals. If the patient of the journals presented in the Scopus database or WOS, this means this journal is good journals, and so submit in this journal. There is what is called predatory journals, not indexed journals.